Hello folks. In a previous video I showed how to use the pivot table group by date function, as in this example here. Right click, create a pivot table group, so when you have a date you can have all these functions of breaking down your data into groups. But you can also do this if you put a value into the row. So let's say we put in these dollar amounts into my row, and you can see I've got all this dollar amount. So let's right click. Here you can create a pivot table group. So let's, or a pivot group. Let's say we've got 30,000 as our minimum, 90,000 as our maximum, and our interval size is 10,000. And let's see what happens when we group it that way. Oh, great. So what we have here then is a grouped amount, how many between 30 and 39 and so forth, so on. Then I can take my uh, value and put in either the state, and that's going to give me a count. It wouldn't matter whether I use the state or the brand here to basically show this.